Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of HowtoFix Online. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Messenger group video call issue. If you love making video calls on Facebook Messenger but you are not being able to do so, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To fix your Messenger group video call issue, the first thing you can do is to make sure that you are connected to an internet or cellular data. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once connected, go to your Messenger application and try making a group video call. If that works for you, then that means your problem was network related. If it does not, the next thing to do is to allow Messenger to access camera on your Android device. Tap the settings button from the app drawer and now scroll down and tap on apps. Search for Messenger from the list. Give it a tap, scroll down to permissions under app settings and make sure to allow all the necessary permissions with Facebook Messenger. Tap on the camera option and tap on allow, repeating the same process. Allow all the necessary permissions, that is your microphone, telephone, and other permissions as well. If your device does not allow Messenger to access the camera, you won't be able to make that video call on Facebook Messenger. So make sure to allow all the necessary permissions for Facebook Messenger with your Android device. Once you've done that, go back to Messenger and try making that group video call. If that works for you, then that's great. If it does not, then the next thing to do is to try login out of your Facebook Messenger app and login back again. You can also try uninstalling your application. Simply press hold Messenger app from the app drawer and tap the uninstall button in the pop-up. Confirm your selection by tapping on OK and uninstall Messenger from your Android device. Once you've done that, go to Play Store and re-download the application again. Once you have the app, tap it open, log into your Messenger like you normally would, and try making that video call again and see if the problem has been fixed. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to make a group video call on Messenger. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.